is I'm just going to put you into Spotlight again. And right now the order doesn't really matter. And Jill disappeared on me again.
No.
Yeah, well, I don't know how that happens.
Oh, I do. You know what? I probably went to the camera too soon. And so let me bring back.
No, it's all good. There you are. There you are, right? So, but we're just going to use that pictogram. And now all of us are going to draw the pictogram, right? So the advantage of that is, and just switch to your document camera so that all of us can see how you actually draw it. Now, the advantage of that is that you can actually see what the people, how the people are actually drawing it, like in which order, for example. Are they first finishing one icon, then the next? Are they doing the outside circle first or the other circle? And then you can just compare notes, what was easy, what was maybe not that easy, and then you can continue to the next person, right? But one person needs to be the leading person in a sense that that person will have to share the screen and operate the Bikablo, the Bikablo shuffle. Yeah. Now I will upload and I need to check where it is. Maybe Elena, you can upload your the description to Podio, because there is a description that we have for the breakout session, so that you can check, not to Podio, to Padlet, so you can check on Padlet again what it is that you have to do. Okay.